Are you tired of battling your home printer? Of hitting print only to get a half-baked web page, a frustratingly blank second sheet, or a document riddled with ads? What if I told you there's a printer designed to eliminate those everyday frustrations, making home printing not just easy, but genuinely smart? Well, get ready, because today we're diving into the new HP NV6155E wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer, in that rather stylish Portobello finish. And trust me, this isn't just another printer, it's a game changer for any busy home. First off, let's talk about the absolute standout feature that sets the NV6155E apart, its integrated HP AI. Now, when you hear AI, you might think complex, but here it simply means intelligent printing. How many times have you tried to print a recipe from a website, an important email, or an article, only to find it littered with navigation menus, sidebar ads, or worse, half the content on a new, wasted page? It's infuriating, right? The HP NV6155E, with its AI-enabled smarts, can automatically detect and remove all that unwanted content. It reformats web pages and emails with precision, ensuring your prints are exactly what you wanted: clean, perfectly laid out, and free from digital clutter. This isn't just about convenience, it's about saving you ink, saving you paper, and saving you a whole lot of exasperation. Imagine, no more manual cutting and pasting into Word just to get a decent print. Beyond its intelligent printing, the NV6155E is a true all-in-one workhorse, perfectly suited for the dynamic needs of a modern home. It handles color printing, copying, and scanning with impressive efficiency. For families with kids, this means homework assignments, school projects, and those precious borderless photos can all be handled with ease, delivering everyday quality color documents and vibrant memories. And speaking of efficiency, the auto two-sided printing feature is a godsend. Not only does it help you save paper and reduce your environmental footprint, but it also streamlines printing multi-page documents, like those lengthy school reports or family budgets. Couple that with a generous 100-sheet input tray, and you'll spend less time refilling paper and more time getting things done. It's designed to keep up with your busy life, not slow it down. And in today's connected world, reliable wireless printing is non-negotiable. The NV6155E truly shines here with its dual-band Wi-Fi. This isn't just any Wi-Fi, it's our most reliable, engineered to automatically detect and resolve connection issues. That means fewer dropped connections, less troubleshooting, and the freedom to print from virtually any device, from any room in your house, without missing a beat. No more tethering your laptop or rushing to connect cables, just seamless, dependable printing right when you need it. Navigating all these features is also a breeze thanks to HP's most intuitive 2.4-inch color touchscreen. It's responsive, easy to read, and makes setup and daily operation incredibly straightforward, even for the less tech-savvy members of the household. So, if you're looking for a printer that truly understands the demands of a home environment, one that's smart enough to save you time and resources, versatile enough for everything from homework to cherished photos, and reliable enough to always be there when you need it, then the HP NV6155E is an outstanding choice. Plus, with a 3-month instant ink trial included, you'll be set up for hassle-free ink delivery right from the start. Stop settling for frustrating print experiences. Upgrade to the HP NV6155E and bring intelligent, effortless printing into your home. You can find all the details and purchase links in the description below. Go check it out.